You wanna rock, paper, scissors? Or you know, you just wanna go by default? Look, 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 look. What are you doing? That's what I meant, this one. Yeah.
Yeah, we gotta stay in both of these.
So who's taking this? You wanna, you know, rock, paper, scissors, or you wanna go by default, you know,
We could work together, you know.
how? We could. You take front, I take back kind of deal. I mean, if you feel like that's a lighter weight, I'll give it to you. I was just talking out of my butt, you know what I mean? That was our window right there. Here, I might be able. Let me see, hold up. Let me hold it from the side, and if I can hold it from the side, I might be able to run it. Remember that time I told you I was trying to cross 169? This is what I saw, and people kept swerving into this gore right here. And I was like, get the f out of the way. I was like, what are y'all doing? Dude, I was hot. Not only that, we still gotta go back, take the sign. Who's taking the sign? You wanna rock, paper, scissors? Or you know, you just wanna go by default? Look, 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 look. What are you doing? Yes, sir.
We're gonna burn these last 3 T-cones, and we gotta go down, flip around at 51st, and go to Skylar. Help Pinto drums and T-cones real quick, and then we gotta go help Brooks and Hannah.
Okay. You what?
Damn it, Hector, you broke it.
I didn't break it. It went through a tough...
I'd say that too.
You a snitch, dog. Oh, pointing fingers, head.
If you did, you know, I won't tell nobody.
Oh, under oath, head. He said, I know.
I know, but you know.
Huh?
You know, we can get
What?
the last lane flag. Hey, we only have 4 days like this. Huh?
That's true.
I mean,
Well, I know type 3s, all of them are roadworks. Yeah, we needed one more to grab. Don't let them believe you like that's okay. They're gonna be like, nah, it's cool. And they're gonna be like, are you serious? This guy.
Tomorrow, what the? There's no person like Josh fucking forgot the way.
Josh forgot, I swear.
He had to go to another job and drop some shit off. Y'all got a couple cones. Let's go up here and see if we can get it in sync where we can pick it up and drop it on the next skip. See if we can fix it. Drop it on the next skip? Yeah, pick it up and then the next skip we can drop it.
That man dodged that like Muhammad Ali.
It didn't even get fall yet, and I'm over here.
Am I feeling ballsy about what?